welcome back, guys. This is the second theorem under the Euclidean geometry topic. This theorem is famously known as angle at the center 2 times the angle at the circumference. So what it basically means is this, that the angle that is subtended by an arc, this is an arc, AB is an arc. AB subtends an angle at the center. You see, it subtends at the circumference. And AB again subtends another angle where at the center. The first one is angle C. The second one at the center is angle O. So now they are saying, this theorem says that this one is 2 times this. And then that's what we are required to prove. We are required to prove that angle O is equals to 2 times angle C. This is what we are required to prove. Remember, from the previous theorems that we have proved, we've used triangles to prove our theorems. And then now let's find a way in which we can make these triangles. So our construction will be join CO to produce N. Join CO to produce N. Then let's join the CO. And then let's call this N. Then now we can see that we have 2 triangles. We have triangle CONA and COB. We are clear on that one. And then this construction will form angle C1, angle C2, and angle O1, angle O2. So this was angle C at first, but now it's split into 2. We're gonna get 1, and then we're gonna get 2 here. We're gonna get a 1, and then we're gonna get a 2 here. So they are both, these angles are both split into angle C1 and angle C2. Also, O is split into angle O1 and angle O2. Let's look at from this triangle now, from triangle COA. In triangle COA, we can see that angle O1 is an exterior angle from this triangle. It's an exterior angle from this triangle. That means angle O1 is equals to the sum of the interior opposite angles, C1 plus angle A. So the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior opposite angles. But when we look at carefully in this triangle is an isosceles triangle. We have OC is a radius angle, a line drawn from the center to the circumference, and then we have OA, a line drawn from the center to what? To where? To the circumference. That leaves us with 2 sides being equal of an isosceles triangle. So that means C1 and angle A are equal. This angle are equal. Since this side is equal to this side, that means these angles are also equal. So angle C1 is equals to angle A. Your reason is that angles opposing equal sides. And you can also state that OC equals to OA. Your reason is what? Radii. And then now we know that angle C1 is equals to angle A, or A is equals to C1. So we can go here where there's A, we put C1, because angle A is equals to C1. So here, instead of writing A, we put what? C1, since A is equals to C1. So let's rewrite angle O. Angle O1 is equals to C1, angle C1. But now instead of putting A, we put what? C1, and another angle C1. So what's C1 plus C1? C1 plus C1, it gives you 2C1. It gives you 2C1. Then let's move to the other triangle now, to this triangle. This triangle, we have angle O2 being equal to, O2 is the exterior angle of this triangle. It's the exterior angle of this triangle. So O2 will be equals to angle C2 plus angle B. O2 will be equals to angle C2 plus angle B. What's your reason? Exterior angles of a triangle. I forgot to write the reason here. Exterior angles of a triangle. So now, if we look at triangle COB, is also an isosceles triangle. This line is equals to this line. They are both radius. So CO is equals to CB radii. CO equals to CB radii. That leaves us with angle C2 being equals to angle B. Angle C2 equals to angle B. What's your reason? Angles equal opposites. Angle opposing equal sides. Angles opposing equal sides. And then now we said angle O2 is equals to C2 plus B. And again, we said here C2 is equals to B. So instead of writing B, we will put what? Angle C2. Let's rewrite angle O2, angle C2 plus, instead of writing B, we write what? C2. Angle C2. Is that clear? C2 plus C2 gives you 2C2. It gives you 2C2. And then now we have angle O1 being 2C1 and O2 being 2C2. But we know that the whole of angle, this angle, the whole of it is made up of angle, and the whole angle O is made up of angle O1 plus angle O2. What's angle O1? We found it to be 2C1. Found O1 to be 2C1 plus what's O2? O2, we found O2 to be what? 2C2. Clear? We found O2 to be 2C2. And then now we take out the common factor. 2 is the common factor. We have 2 and then angle C1 plus angle C2. So if we look at carefully from the diagram, we can see that C1 plus C2 gives us the whole of angle C. So angle C is made up of C1 plus C2. That means we can replace C1 plus C2 by the whole angle C. Therefore, angle O is equals to 2 times angle